directly download and play Fallout 3 and New Vegas on a PlayStation 5 through the PlayStation Store. These games were released for the PlayStation 3 and aren't officially backwards compatible on PS5. However, there is one option to access these games on your PS5 with limitations. PlayStation Plus Premium Streaming. If you subscribe to PlayStation Plus Premium, you can stream the PS3 versions of Fallout 3 and New Vegas on your PS5. This means the games are processed on remote servers and streamed to your console. Here are some things to consider about streaming these games. Internet connection. You'll need a stable and high-speed internet connection, at least 10 megabits per second recommended, for smooth gameplay without lag. Input lag. Streaming can introduce some input lag, which means there might be a slight delay between when you press a button and when the action happens on screen. No DLC. You won't be able to access downloadable content, DLC, for these games through streaming. If these limitations aren't ideal, here are some alternative ways to play Fallout 3 and New Vegas. Play on a compatible platform. You can play these games on their original platform, PlayStation 3, and Xbox 360 backwards compatible with Xbox One, or PC. Cloud gaming services. Some cloud gaming services, like Link2Shadow.tech, offer access to libraries that might include Fallout 3 and New Vegas. However, these services typically require a subscription fee and a reliable internet connection. I hope this information helps.